Now, political side effects for those vaccines have already emerged. Government versus opposition war of words now continues. Bihar Congress MLA Ajit Sharma has now triggered another controversy by demanding Prime Minister Modi to take the first shot to infuse confidence in the people of the country. Sharma demanded that the way the head of states, Russia and United States, took the first vaccine shot to win public confidence, similarly, Prime Minister Narendra Modi should also take the first vaccine shot. The Congress leader further said that senior BJP leaders should also take the vaccine shot first before promoting it for people across of India, along with Prime Minister Modi himself. Earlier, Health Minister Harshvardhan faced off with the Congress leaders. Harshvardhan said Narendra Modi and his government must in fact take the vaccines first. And despite anti-national comments and cynicism of the opposition there, the government, the BJP there, saying that they want to instill faith among people over these vaccines. Now, Congress MP Shashi Tharoor and his government, in fact, assures Shashi Tharoor there, saying that government's assurances on the safety and efficacy of the vaccines are not convincing enough. He says that the government had yesterday slammed the opposition leaders, doubting India's made Covaxin because it's still not completed phase 3 trials, while the BJP now calling all of them in-house cynics.
मेरा भी मानना है कि यहाँ भी भारतीय जनता पार्टी के सर्वोच्च पद पर आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी और भारतीय जनता पार्टी के वरिष्ठ नेता सबसे पहला टीका लेके जनता को विश्वास में लेने का काम करें।
जिस तरह से राशिद अल्वी हों, अखिलेश यादव हों, लगता है एकदम मानसिक रूप से दिवालियापन हो गया। क्या राजनीति करने के लिए वैज्ञानिकों का भी अपमान करना चाहिए, देश को शर्मसार करना चाहिए? तो मुझे लगता है कि इस पे राजनीति नहीं करनी चाहिए और माफी मांगनी चाहिए।
Cutting across to Anand Patel joining us live on this. Anand, politicizing a life-saving drug, of course, something that we don't expect. The country is waiting desperately for a vaccine to come out, a magic bullet to really solve this crisis here, end the pandemic. Lakhs of lives have been lost, but yet you're looking at politics brewing. You had on one hand now Congress raising doubts on Covaxin itself and its eligibility, considering it's not completed phase 3 trials. Akhilesh Yadav saying that it's a BJP vaccine and he doesn't trust it. You have other leaders now from the opposition saying Prime Minister Modi must take it first, only then instill confidence. We're not saying don't raise a question, but sort of demoralizing the drive that the country has towards getting inoculated. Take us through the details.
Well, Nabila, these criticism against the government and the vaccine, especially the vaccine developed by Bharat Biotech, the Covaxin, is emanating out of the situation which prevailed around August, when the government had announced, that India will come up with its own local vaccine, domestic vaccine. Reports were there that the government might announce it by the 15th of August, and the experts had warned against any vaccine nationalism. So that criticism has come back now when the government allowed, especially the Drug Controller General, allowed the Bharat Biotech vaccine without the human trial phase, and then later on clarified that this clearance has been given only for emergency use. But in between that time frame, we saw a lot of criticism from the opposition parties, particularly the Congress leaders like Jairam Ramesh, Shashi Tharoor and Anand Sharma, criticized the government that without undergoing the human trial phase, without having that data, extensive data which is required, which is an SOP for any vaccine to be made fit or declared fit for human trials, these data are very important, which is a standard operating procedure worldwide. That is the procedure followed by the Serum Institute as well when it took the license from the Oxford candidate for the vaccine Covishield. So clearly the government has come under a lot of criticism, but the DCGI has made it clear that this is not for general use, this is not for common vaccination, this is just for emergency use, and this will be authorized only in very rare cases.
Absolutely.
And also this vaccine ICMR, which was in close touch with Bharat Biotech, had made it clear that this is also works effectively as far as the new UK strain of the COVID virus.
Absolutely, and that
So
does
clearly,
bring a sense
the
of relief to
government
us, considering that it could, ICMR chief did mention that it could also counter the new mutated strain of the virus. But nonetheless, these vaccines are safe. And speaking during the inaugural address at the National Meteorology Conclave, Prime Minister Modi lauded the Indian scientists and their efforts, their successful launch of the 2 made-in-India coronavirus vaccines. Here's what he said.
भारत के वैज्ञानिकों ने एक नहीं दो मेड इन इंडिया कोविड वैक्सीन विकसित करने में सफलता पाई है। भारत में दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा कोविड वैक्सीन प्रोग्राम भी शुरू होने जा रहा है। इसके लिए देश को अपने वैज्ञानिकों के योगदान पर बहुत गर्व है। हर देशवासी आप सभी वैज्ञानिकों का, टेक्नीशियनों का, सबका कृतज्ञ है। साथियों, आज उस समय को भी याद करने का दिन है जब हमारे वैज्ञानिक संस्थानों ने, आप सब ने कोरोना से मुकाबले के लिए वैक्सीन को विकसित करने के लिए दिन रात एक कर दिया।
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.